Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Bongani Onge Songwengwe. I am the Speaker of Swellendam Municipality. The message today is very clear. We have had 21 days as per stipulated by our President. I do understand that some of us are actually now starting to complain or panic because the 21 days has lapsed. No, ladies and gentlemen, we have managed to win this corona in the past 21 days. It is possible also again to continue with the same pace, with the same spirit that we have done it in the past 21 days. Let us stay at home in this coming 2 weeks. When we are doing that, we are not only doing it for ourselves, but we are doing it to all of us. Remember, your neighbors may be affected by the same coronavirus. I do understand some of the people are questioning the fact that when is this going to stop? Yes, it is going to stop should you stay at home. Should you only go to the shop when it is necessary for you to go to the shop. But always remember to keep the social distancing. It is very helpful because by doing that, you are not actually infecting another person. The coronavirus, gentlemen and the ladies, it is very, very serious disease that you have. We understand that some of you might be complaining about the food, the job losses, got social relief grants, we've got food parcels that is deemed for the people that are in need. So please stay at home, cooperate, assist the government in terms of all the parameters that they have trying to fight this coronavirus. Work with us each and every day. When you wake up, wash your hands each and every time, even if it's during the day, wash your hand, don't touch your mouth, don't touch your face, no eyes, nose, if you did not wash your hands. Sanitize yourself. The Dettol is there that you can use or any type of soap to wash your hands. Let us keep this clean, ladies and gentlemen. Kosi Sigelela Africa. God bless South Africa. Hot CN South Africa. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, you must always remember, better together. I cannot do this alone. I do have a friend of mine, a person that is so in support of this in terms of fighting the coronavirus. His name is Teti Gatla. Here it is, ladies and gentlemen. He would love to address you in terms of how important it is for us to stay at home. Over to you, Timen. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker. Bahlali bomzi waseSwellendam simvile uSpeaker wethu Bongani wakwaSonqenqe ezama ukusicacisela ngendlela singumasipala esisupporta ngayo sizi-individuals ezisupporta ngayo ukulwa nale corona. Bahlali baseSwellendam noMzantsi Afrika, icorona into ekhoyo and icorona abantu bakuthi masingayiboni ingekho apha eSwellendam. Iselithamsanqa nemfefe zikaThixo ezibangela icorona ingabikho apha. Ngento esithi singamsupport umasipala nogovernment wethu. Simana ngohamba sekwezi indawo abantu esibabonayo nesidibana nabo ke-malls esikuzo bayasosulela ngale corona. Thina into masincede siyenze kuba silandele lento sicetshisweyo ngabezempilo ukuthi masenze njani uzama usupporta ugovernment wethu ukulwa nale corona. Bahlali icorona into ekhoyo iyabulala. Ndiyabulela.